Hello, I'm Tom Wilder from Network Components and Solutions Limited. I have been running my offline business for over 15 years now. We then started selling online courses such as how to use Zoom, podcast masterclass, webinar mastery, etc. During the pandemic, we asked ourselves what we could do to help those that have lost their jobs as a result. We decided to release a set of videos that would teach people everything they need to know to set up an online business. Our team of experts have created brand new courses. So the training page on this website is different to other websites as it has all the information for you to start an online business from scratch. I'm passionate about helping people that have lost their jobs during the COVID period. I know it's hard if you are over 45 to get a job or change your job and do something completely different. Our goal is to teach you everything you need to know to set up a successful business from scratch.